everybody. Welcome to Drums. This is Steve, the illustrious Steve Vega, my partner in crime for 20 years now, 21.
I'm sick.
Oh, okay. Very honest, my honest brother. See, my honest bro. I appreciate you. All right, y'all. Well, that's another one. I can't tell you how many times I've driven up this road with drums in the car over the last 21 years. Shout out to everybody at DW, my fam. Shout out to everybody backstage checking this out. And I'm not gonna do a full unboxing because I actually have to get ready to go on tour tomorrow. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a mishap, so I had to send another kit out on the road. It was supposed to be this one, but I had to send another kit on the road because the drums were ready, but there was an issue with the lacquer shipment from FedEx. I guess the truck got in an accident and it was damaged, so it kind of threw things off. And you know, I got the drums a week late. Thank God. Drums is not one of my issues as far as, you know, I'm not worried about drums. It's just, you know, I was trying to get these done in time, but definitely no shade to DW. You know, they keep me all the way right, so I'm not at all worried about drums in this lifetime. So, but, you know, at the end of the day, it's one of those things where it's just a fun thing to do, you know, and this has been happening since 2005, you know, and I remember that very first one, it was like, man, and now we're probably, you know, in the 30s or 40s, you know, so pretty insane. You know, these guys really take care of their artists, and I love the family, and that's why I'm still here, you know, post-merger. So yeah, y'all, there'll be a slight little bit of an unboxing that you'll see in the next video. I am about to find out the same time as you are. So let's see. Trusty knife. I mean, I know they're black, but I don't know. I know they're black and they're supposed to be black and gold. We'll just take a Tom out. This looks like a 12. Yep, it's a 12. Let's see what we got going on here. All my backstage people. Here we go. Uh-oh. 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 All right. These are the Sonicfly drums, so I don't want to be disrespectful, but I think this is a little disrespectful. Matte black with a gold racing stripe and black nickel hardware. And they're Sonicfly, so I don't know if you can see, but look in there, you see that aluminum in the middle of the plies. That's different. That's something that only DW has, Sonicfly. So matte black with a matte gold finish. These are super, I'm glad they were late because these don't need to get beat up on the road at all. With black nickel hardware. They sound incredible out the box. But there's one thing, this is insanity, but there's a snare drum question I have because I'm not sure if they were able to do it. And I asked for it, but I think it was done by the time I asked. So we're about to see right now at this particular snare drum because I want to see what's going on. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh, okay, it's box in a box. Got it. All right, so I think this is a 6.5 or maybe a 6. I know one of these, that's like 5, I think. So disrespectful. Oh boy. This is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That matte gold is crazy. The matte gold is crazy. It's so grown. And you can still see, once again, multiple layers of that sonic ply inside of the drum. It's such an attack, it's crazy. I know it's 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22 and a 24, 2 snares, and I believe one of the deep, like I think the 14 is actually one of those deep snares. So I can use it as a snare or floor tom. And it's a 22 and a 24, I think both by 18. And then, you know, my hardware and stuff. So